Let me, whoops, let me know when we're live. How's my hair? Bread and butter, bread and... I'm here, live, in front of the just released, free, Idle Essentials Lesson 2 lesson. This lesson is about indexing content with NIFI. Yeah, that would be NiFi. Let's have a look at this new Idle Essentials Lesson 2 lesson. I'm a little emotional. That's beautiful. This lesson also contains, wait, this just in. By completing this lesson and finding all the idle eggs, you will be entered for a chance to win, to attend an episode of the Idle Chat webinar, where you can chat, ask questions about this lesson, and more to our idle lights, which can include management, development, etc. This is Ed Yort from Micro Focus Education News, reporting live from the Idle Essentials Lesson 2 lesson. Please remember, try to learn something new today, my friends. Back to you. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click on something.